Good evening and a warm welcome to the launch of the Chief Inspector's Annual Report.
It's a vital, independent reflection of how our schools and education providers are performing.
Dwi'n meddwl bod yn bwysig cael trosolwg o beth sy'n mynd ymlaen yn byd addysg ar hyn o bryd. Ac mae Estyn mewn lle gwych i wneud hynny.
What we've been trying to do over the past 3 years is to make the report more accessible, because that's what the important thing is, that people can read it, people can actually assimilate what's in it, or actually take some of the important messages in there.
A prif beth yswn i'n dweud sydd yn bwysig yn Adroddiad Blynyddol Estyn ydy'r astudiaethau achos sydd yn ddodd i leoliadau eraill gael i ysbrydoli mwyn efelychu'r arfer da.
For us in government, and indeed for everyone invested in education, it provides a crucial evidence base.
The report really helps us as a school to identify effective practice throughout Wales and affords us the opportunity then to go and visit other schools, find out what they're doing well, and then bringing it back to Maes y Coed.
The leaders in schools really want to make a difference. I hear stories, as I mentioned earlier, with my sister who was ahead the other side of the border, and I just think that there's far more common ground here.
Thank you for everything you do. Thank you for the inspiration you bring when we go out and see week in, week out what's happening across the country. Thank you for your positivity. Let's take that ambition and joy away to our settings and get to it. Diolch yn fawr i chi gyd.